Hi, my name is Mia and today I will be teaching you a dance choreography Shakira La Tortura.
Que hoy me ha cupido a pedirle un favor. Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio me desea y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo, que la fluidez le gane al orgullo y que sea lo que tú quieras hacer. Repetiría una mil veces la noche que te vi, sabía que era ese hombre que me hace.
So we're starting with our right foot. I'm stepping a catwalk, moving your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 2 fast steps. Bam, bam, stepping to the side, opening my hands and crossing them in front of my face, ending with bam, bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bam, bam. From here, I'm stepping to the side with the right foot. My hands are going around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? My hands are going around my head. Here you want to be a little bit low in your knees, so it allows you to move your hips. And on the other side, I'm rolling my chest. You can either roll your hips or your chest to whichever side you prefer. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, I go with the right. I'm stepping on the heel. Starting low in my knees, I go up and left and right. And from here, I step on the right. Bum, bum, bum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My hands are going, my arms are always the opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, bum, bum, open, close, ha, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and I finish low in my knees, and I go with my hips. My arms are going up, opening. I'm a little in a diagonal, and my hips are making circles. Again, you can move your hips to whichever side you prefer. And you go 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, my hands are above my head, and I'm switching side from left to the right. I go bum, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Okay? 1 slow, 2nd slow, and here you go faster. You can rub your hair, ta, ta, ta. From here, I'll step on my right to the side, and I go a little wave, bringing my knee up. My other hand, my left hand is in front here. And I go ha. My right hand goes on my back in a nice way, and you go a little wave. You can help yourself with going on the tippy toes when you go front, and back. Let's take it from the top. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, bum, 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 ha, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, I will be turning around over my left shoulder, going a little bit lower with my upper body, and making my knees straight. I go 5, 6, you sit down, 6, and you step back, 7, and 8, and to go 1, crossing my right foot over the left, opening with the left, going up and side on the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you have 4 booms to hit. You go to the side, putting your hip to the right side and going up with the right shoulder. Bum. 1, 2 on the other side, switching your hips. 1, 2, putting your feet together. 3, 4, cross. You cross here and you go around, ha, and then you just fall down in a sexy way. 7, 8. Let's take it slowly from the top. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, 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 bum. Ha, ha. Run. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, 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 ha. Down. Let's take it a little bit faster. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, 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 ha, ha, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, 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 ha. Keep practicing until you feel comfortable, and then click the link in the description to go and try it with the music. Thank you for dancing with me.